Running a food trailer business is a fun and profitable adventure, but it's important to make sure your business is protected. Today, I'm going to walk you through the different types of insurance you need to keep your food truck covered from risks like accidents and liability claims. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and if you're ready to protect your business, stick around with me for the next few minutes. So, what is food trailer insurance? In short, it protects you from accidents, property damage, and liability claims that could cost your business big time. Since food trailers are always on the move and operating in different locations, having the right coverage is crucial. Let's break down the types of insurance you'll need. First up, you need general liability insurance. This coverage for injury or property damage claims. If someone gets hurt near your trailer or your equipment damages someone else's property, this insurance takes care of the expenses. Next, product liability insurance. This is essential for food businesses. If a customer gets sick from your food or you face a claim for foodborne illness, product liability covers the legal and healthcare costs associated. Because your trailer is mobile, you'll also need commercial auto insurance. This protects you in the case of accidents, injury, or damage while transporting your trailer. And if you have employees, workers' compensation is a must. It covers medical expenses and lost wages if an employee gets injured on the job. Now let's talk about costs. Full coverage for a food trailer can range from $100 to $300 a month, depending on several factors, such as where you operate, what food you serve, and your claims history. It will all impact the price. For example, cooking methods like frying may increase your premium due to higher risks involved. Are you ready to find out the exact cost for your business? Our experienced agents specialize in working with food trailer owners and can often secure discounts of 10 to 15%. We provide same-day coverage in most cases and work with A-rated insurance companies to get you the best coverage at the best price. For more information or to get a quote, click the link in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips to keep your business thriving. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your food trailer business.